Hi there, it's Deidre from our Upcycled Life. And if you're new here, I love repurposing, thrifting, upcycling, and a great DIY. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. We love new crafty friends. Today I am upcycling a bench that was given to me. I have friends of ours that were taking it to the dump and we're going to get rid of it. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I needed it, took it right out of their truck and put it in my workshop. So I'm going to give it a new life. It needs a little bit of TLC and I'm excited because the paint finish on this is fabulous and chippy. So let's get started. It's a beautiful day here. The sun is shining, spring has come, and this is the first project on my to-do list. I saved this bench from the dump and I'm excited to upcycle it. First of all, I love this paint color and the chippiness and the way it has worn is fabulous. I don't want to change any of that. I want to keep all the paint that's there intact. I just want to freshen it up. It's not in perfect shape. It's really old, but the ornate legs on it and the sides of the bench are just fabulous. It needs a good cleaning, so I'm going to use some TSP and scrub it down and get all the little bits of dirt and loose paint off. This TSP is great. It'll remove any grease or grime or dirt. And I'm just going to use my scraper and just remove any loose bits of paint. It always amazes me what people just throw out because this bench had so much potential. Let me know in the comments if you would have saved this from the landfill. Now I'm just going to use this scuff pad instead of sandpaper because I don't want to take any of the paint off. I just want to remove any loose bits that are still there, and this works really well because it's a very fine grit. I have it all cleaned and prepped and sanded down, and I'm going to put on my homemade stain to bring out some of the wood grain. I want to leave as much as the original paint as I could, so the stain will make everything all pop, and that's what I'm going to do next. I'll put a link down below in the description and a link up top here of how you can make your own DIY stain. You can make it into any color and it's so cheap and affordable and easy. And I'm just going to apply the stain over the whole bench, even over the existing paint. And then it's just going to freshen up that wood and bring out the grain and make it pop more. And the nice thing about this stain is you can layer it. You can put one layer on if you think that it's not maybe quite dark enough. You can mix up a little bit more and put more on until you get the desired color that you like. And I think it looks really great. It's really freshened up this wood and it doesn't look so dried out and aged. After you've applied all the stain, you just take a rag and wipe off anywhere where it's still wet. And I thought this would look really cute with a nice quote on the front. I'm going to do my Mod Podge reversed graphic transfer technique to put these words on the front of the bench. I have a full tutorial with step-by-step instructions on how to do this technique. I'll put a link down below in the description and up here in the corner. Okay, this is dried completely and I'm just going to take a damp rag and rub off that paper and you're going to have the words left on the bench. I love using this technique. It's a great way to update furniture or your upcycled projects or to make wooden signs. And I'm enjoying being out in the sun and enjoying the warm weather and being able to get outside and do some upcycled projects that I've had stored away for the winter in my shed. Okay, and the graphics are all done and I love the way they look on the front of this bench. If you're interested in purchasing these graphics, they're in my Etsy store. I'll put a link down below and up above. We're ready to put on the top coat. I'm putting on a Varathane Outdoor polyacrylic sealer. This is going to go in on my deck and it's going to be outside in the elements, so I want to make sure that it's sealed really well. So I'll probably put 2 or 3 coats on it and it'll be good to go. And there it is, all finished, and I'm so glad I was able to save it from the landfill. Once I put that top coat of the Varathane on it, it just made that yellow pop, and it looks fantastic. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this upcycled bench. I'm loving it. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love to read them. I'll be sharing so many more DIY, thrifting, repurposing videos, so if you aren't already following along, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload my next video. See you real soon. Take care and have a great day.